I used to really struggle with my ponytails. I would put them up and I would spend forever trying to perfect it. Still ended up looking messy and it looked very like something was off. I remember my husband getting frustrated with me because I was literally just taking forever, pulling it apart and like trying to fluff it out, make it bigger, and it just wasn't working. It was really frustrating, and I don't know how many times I literally said, I'm not going. Nope, I give up. Not going anywhere. We're literally not leaving the house. All because of some hair. And the truth of the matter is, fine thin hair is just limp, and it just does not do what you need it to do. I actually got Natural Beaded Rows extensions in my hair and my whole life changed. Now I'm able to wear a ponytail without any cares in the world. And the best part is, you can't even see the extensions. The best part is about Natural Beaded Rows extensions is you can wear your hair up or down and your extensions are always hidden.